Okay, let's start. We are going to cover ratio. Formally, we have already covered some, but this time around is going to be a revision. Okay, and first question, let's take a look. The money in paying and tying. So you have two entities here in the ratio of 3:8. So we have paying and we have tying here. If paying had less, of course less, right? Why less? Because he has only 3 units. So ing will have 3 units and tying has 8 units. So the less will refer to the difference. What's the difference in terms of unit here is 8u minus 3u. That will give you 5u. How much money did they have all together? That means the total of how many units are there. For you to have together, you have 3 units with 8 units, and you will have 11 units for this. There are 2 ways you can do it, all right? Using model, or you want to use a column, it's up to you, okay? All right, for those who think that this is simple, we can actually do a quick one. Okay, we say this is paying and this is tying. Okay, and the third column or even the fourth column will be good because we are going to, find out what they are having here, the information. Okay, so paying is 3 units, tying is 8 units, difference will be 5 units, and the total will be 11 units. So what is the 25 here will refer to, if you see my highlight, 25 less will refer to the difference. Okay. So 5 units will give you $25. So 1 unit itself will be $5. Okay. I want every one of you to input your answer here. Okay. Into the chat group so I can see. So how much do I have to find is the 11 units, and that will give me, I didn't see any, only 3 responses. What happened to the rest? What else? That's all. Only 3. Then what happened to the rest? 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the rest of them waiting for answers. Please respond, okay? 55. Yes, wow. Yes, that's better. Thank you, most of the class. Thank you. That's great. All right. Thank you for the participation. Wow. Thank you, Jovan. All right. Okay, Jovan, you will need to erase for me because yeah, Jovan, I have written here already. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So the answer will be 55. Okay. Jovan, yeah, it's good enough. Okay. Question number 2. Let's take a look at question number 2. We have Arthur has 2 times. Who is the 2 times? Arthur. Who is the 1 time? Benjamin. So you know that Benjamin is 1 unit and Arthur is 2 unit. Okay, so probably I would have Arthur is 2 times, which is 2 units. Benjamin will be 1 unit. And the next sentence says, C has 3 times as much as Arthur. See? If you take a look here, C is 3 times as many as Arthur. So where is Arthur? Look it back. Arthur is having 2 units. Okay. So 2 units for Arthur. And Kathleen has 3 times. That will give you 6 units. Yeah. Okay, sure. Jocelyn, please go ahead. And then you have this 6 units for Kathleen. And what is the ratio for asking for Kathleen here to the total number of who? of A and B. So usual way, what I can do here is to make them the what? Column method. That will make things even simpler. All right, let's try. We have A, Arthur, Benjamin, and C. So let's put them in the proper manner. A-R-T-H-U-R. And we have Ben, Benjamin, and Kathleen. Okay, so we put Arthur has 2 units. Benjamin will have 1 unit. Kathleen will have 3 times, that will be 6 units. And the ratio of C is 6U. Okay, to the total number of the suites, A plus B. So A plus B, and this total will give you 3 units, right? So what is your answer? Can you respond here, please? Yeah? No one? Only one answer. The rest of them, what are you doing? Yeah? Okay. All right. Some write D, some write ratio. Yes. What else? I will see the rest of them. Yeah. Okay. Do not scribble. Please do not scribble anything on the... Do not scribble. So sorry, yeah. Gerald? Yeah, it's okay. Can you have to erase everything? Yeah. Yeah, please erase. Okay. All right. So your answer will be 6 is to 3, and that give you 2 is to 1. So it will be option number D. Okay? Right? Next question. Let's take a look at number 3. They have 3 entities and they share in the ratio of 6, 4, and 9. And Sam had 72 batteries. How many more batteries did Jenny have than Peter? So you see, you have how many entities here? 3 entities. Let's take a look here. J, P, and S. So let's write down J, Peter, and Sam. So their ratio being shared here, 6 units, 4 units, and 9 units. And Sam is the only one that is given, which is 72 batteries, which is formed by the 9 units. So what is the difference between J and Peter, which J has 6 units while Peter has 2 units? So the difference must be 6 units minus 4 units, where they are asking you for 2 units, right? And you know that 9 units will give you 72. 1 unit itself is 72 minus 9, which will give you 8. All right, very good. Some of them responded without me telling. Thank you, Jiening, thank you. All right, so then after that, they are asking for their div, which is 8 multiplied by 2. Then that will give you 16. All right. Who is that? Jiening, right? Thank you, Jiening. Okay. Jiening, may I have your name on the screen? Because this screens will be saved, PowerPoint will be saved, your name will be there. Okay, anybody does mind that, does mind means didn't want the name to appear on the screen, you can always let me know so I can erase them. If I don't hear response from you, your name will be here, okay? All right, so if I don't respond, so just do alert me. Okay, Who else? Let's take a look. That's all. Okay. Next question. Mr. Tan gave some money to Eric and Sean in the ratio of 6:7. So Eric and Sean. And what did Eric do was he spent half of his money on the folder, and this folder that costs $6. How much does Sean receive from Mr. Tan? Okay, so first thing first, I would like to have their information in terms of column first. All right, Eric will get 6 units, while Sean will get 7 units. All right, so Eric spent half of the money. Okay, let me explain. Sean spent half of his money. How much money does Sean has? Tell me, how much money does Sean has? Wow, now has more response. Okay, good. He has 7 units and he spent half. So he must have spent half of 7 units, which will get 3.5 units. All right. So these 3.5 units will cost you $6. Am I right? So technically, if you say it has a $6, so the other half must be also $6. So before spending, he could have a $12 in his pocket already. All right, $12. So how much money did Sean receive from Mr. Tan? Okay. Sorry, Eric spends, not Sean spends. Okay, it's Eric. How come you never tell me? When I say Sean, you also take it as Sean. Okay. So 3 units give you 6. It's Eric or Sean. Wait, Sean has 7. Okay. Sean has 7. Eric has 6 units. So Eric spent half of his money, which is 6 units, which is spent 3 units. And these 3 units will give you $6. Correct? Okay, what is next step? What must I do? Good. All right, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. 5 of them. Yeah, that's great. That's great. So 6 units here, it will be $12, right? Because 3U itself is $6. So 6U itself, $6. 6U itself is $12. Okay, so you need to find 7U. Or in fact, if you find 1U also can. All right, find 1U straight away. It's easier. And now find the 7U. All right, then this will be easier. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of you responded. 7. Okay, the rest of them 8, 9. Wow, great. Okay, let me see who are those who are usually the ones. Okay, Jovan. Jovan, I didn't see any responses. Can you participate? Tristan also? Tristan, try to participate as much as possible. Hao Qian also, Hao Qian. Okay. Hai Han, how about you? Is everything okay over here? Okay. How about Howie?